Guy, it's your turn to feed the fish. Oh.
Guy, what are you saying now? Who fed them last?
No, now I fed them yesterday.
Which kind to be this now? This one go just dey feed these fishes every time. I never chop this morning.
How much have I even fed these fish? Let me just give them extra feed.
Like I say the temperature dey alright, Jerry.
No be juju be that.
This water is dirty. Let me check the water level. Where's this water level safe? 400.
Abeg, make I go sleep, Joe. Make nobody disturb me.
24 hours later.
Guy, it's your turn to feed the fish today. Oh. It's your turn to feed the fish today. Oh.
Relax, I'll do it now.
From your bed.
They play.
Just they play. They play.
See now. Easy.
Oshie bad guy. So who will change the water now?
I said you should calm down now. Come on, see.
Nah lie, I no believe.
You think say they wise?
See now, the tank is empty. Well, let me fill it back now. You see. Using only the mobile application, you can feed the fish, check their temperature and water level, and even control their water.
You dey whine me. I no believe. This guy want dey whine me, sha. The water don drain o. Oh yeah, water don dey work. Make I see as you go feed them.
They have left you.
You actually dey feed them now.
Pere. Gotcha.
Hello?
Khalifa, you went out without feeding the fishes now.
Sorry, I forgot. Now I'll feed them now.
How?
You know, say I feel control them for anywhere in this world. Yes, now.
No, that's mad, though. That's crazy.
And I know, like, as you did disturb me, I beg, I go just set the time so that you don't need to call me next time. So what time should I feed them?
Yeah, now 8 p.m. is fine. 8 p.m. is fine.
Okay, I'll put 8 o'clock. Now.
Yeah, now.